Hi everybody, this is my mom. This is the look that we're going to do on her today. So if you want to see it, just keep on watching. First, we're going to start off by priming her eyelids and get it ready for her eyeshadow. Along the way, she asked me questions about why I'm doing what and what I'm applying. She has a lot of questions about a lot of stuff, so we're just chatting it up along the way. Then I'm using a white eyeshadow to set that primer, so whenever I put the eyeshadow on, it doesn't crease. I'm now using orange, and as you can tell, she was not too happy about the orange. That look on her face was so funny, but I let her know that it all come along in the end, part of the process. We're adding some darker brown in there just to give it a little bit more depth. Blending it out. And also I went with all matte shades. She does not like shimmer, she likes all matte, so we went with all matte. Now we're adding in another darker brown and putting that in the outer V. We're taking a lighter brown and putting that on the inner corner of her lid. Now we're just going in and blending those two colors together, the light brown and that orange shade. And of course, you gotta blend, and blend some more. And we're blending. We're still blending. Now I'm putting that warm brown eyeshadow underneath her eye. And it is so funny putting anything underneath her eye because she always pulls away because her eyes are so sensitive. She kept saying, "My eyes are so sensitive." We're using that dark brown shade in that palette just to give her an eyeliner. Look at her face. She is just in pure shock when I put mascara on her. I think she's scared that I'm gonna poke her in the eye. So her face expression, it's like, breathe, mama, breathe. Look at that look of pure fear on her face. We're now putting a white eyeliner on just to kind of brighten up her eyes a little bit. She's looking at it. She doesn't know how to feel about it yet. We're now using a primer just to prime her face for her foundation and concealer. Help her foundation last all day. We're starting out with concealer just to cover up underneath her eyes. And I'm using a brush to apply the concealer on her just to give it a little bit more full coverage. And we're doing the same thing on the other eye. Just dab, 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 tap, tap, tap. Alright, we're now moving on to foundation. I'm using a beauty blender to apply that on her. We're using the Sephora Collection Medium Coverage Foundation. It has a natural finish and it is a little bit on the dewier side because she does have a little bit more on the mature side of skin. And we're just blending it out, making sure to blend it out on her forehead so it doesn't get in her hair. Blending it into the neck. Don't forget the neck, ladies. Don't forget the neck. I love how I would always catch her looking in the mirror just to make sure I'm doing a good job and I'm not messing up her face. She would always sneakily look in the mirror. We're now setting her under eye with powder just to make sure that it doesn't crease underneath there on her, and just setting the rest of her face as well. Now we're moving on to contour. Right here, I'm just showing her what I'm doing and what it does to your face when you apply contour because she never used it before. So we are gonna make you sculpted, mama. You gonna be sculpted. She nods. She's like, yep, I see it. Time for blush. I used a warmer shade on her with her complexion. I think this warmer, like mauve-y shade is so pretty on her. She laughs as I put it on her nose. She's like, why you put it on my nose for? Now we're on to lips. This is her favorite lip shade. So this is the one we're going with. It's just a berry color. She doesn't like pinks or browns. She always likes the warmer colors. So we picked this one out. moving on to setting spray. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. And if you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, as well as Twitch for live content. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!